Join us for a webcast auction on Tuesday, April 14th for a large-capacity CNC machining and turning auction, featuring CNC turning centers from Haas, DMG Mori and others, CNC vertical machining centers from Haas, Mori Seiki, and more, CNC horizontal boring mills from Nomura and additional brands, high-mech and automatic horizontal band saws, support machinery, plus rolling stock, quality control equipment, plant support, and much more. Visit myronbowling.com for more information.